Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are farming Ari chain, then this video is going to be very important for you because the Ari Wallet Airdrop registration has officially started. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the registration to become eligible for the airdrop. So what you need to do is register your EVM wallet, your Twitter handle and your Discord handle. If you open your Ari chain wallet, you'll see the option submit your task proof. To complete your registration, first update your app from the Play Store if any update is available. Then click on submit your task proof. After that, the task proof submission form will open. You will need to provide three details. First, you need to submit your EVM wallet. For that, go to MetaMask. Then click on receive and copy your address. Then go back to arichain and paste the address there. Next, you need to enter your Discord profile handle. For that, open your Discord, click on your profile. Then click the settings icon and then click on account. You need to copy your username. Then go back to arichain and paste it there. Next, the final task will be to enter your X profile handle. So open your X account, then click on your profile, copy your username and go back to the form and paste it there. After that, click on verify. Then it will show your total RE points and REG points. Click on submit. You'll see task proof submitted successfully. That means your proof submission is done, but the process isn't complete yet. You still need to finish one more task on Discord. For that, first click on receive and copy your Ari wallet address. Then open your Discord. Go to the Ari chain server and click on Ari chat. In the message box, type slash and select Ari account registration board. Then send that message and a registration form will pop up. Here, first put the same EVM MetaMask wallet address, then enter your same X profile handle, and finally paste the Ari wallet address that you copied earlier. After that, click on submit and done. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.